making a hard cut of concrete first before they come and over there, that's a concrete truck pouring out concrete that they will fill this middle part there. The concrete was poured already, they are just cleaning it up now. So this is the flyover, it's still closed for vehicles until this part here has been joined and the concrete is solid, but the bridge, I guess, it has been completed. And then under here are the train lines. Yeah, the train lines that the trains are running there. So the trains run in through there. That's one train that is sitting over there waiting for its turn to go. Okay, it has started moving. It has started moving. This is the company that's undertaking this job, solely trucking and paving. That's their telephone number there. And then these are the workers just relaxing to start the work in 1 hour.